Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will set up the essentials now. Install a TFTP daemon like tftp-dhpa, create a dedicated /srv/tftp or similar directory, and set ownership so the server can read and write. Once done, adjust file permissions to 755 so devices can retrieve files but not modify server binaries. Make sure UDP port 69 is allowed through the firewall for your test network only. This prepares a minimal, secure environment, so now configure the server so it serves the right folder. Update tftp-dhpa or apt-config to set the TFTP route and enable secure mode when available. Then start or restart the service and verify it listens on UDP port 69 with netstat or SS. Place a small test file, like firmware, bin or pzlinux, 0 into the TFTP route and set readable modes. This ensures clients can download without permission errors. Once the server runs, you can perform controlled client requests to validate transfers. Finish by testing a real transfer from your client. Use the TFTP command or device boot option to get the test file and observe the reply. If it fails, check the firewall rules, confirm SC Linux or AppArmor isn't blocking access, and ensure file ownership matches the daemon user. Make the server more verbose, and if needed, capture UDP traffic with TCP dump to see whether requests reach the host. These steps let you isolate permission, network, or configuration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.